Here I have a Nissan Altima 2017 with the weird rattle noise on the passenger side. I'll let you try it and hear it. But it's only when you put it in reverse. And for me, it was when I was putting it in reverse and revving it up between 1 and 2,000. So what I did was I was hearing it from the passenger side on the outside, and what I did was I was putting a pry bar on the motor mount, on this top motor mount, and I was like pushing it to the side and having someone else go inside and do the same thing as revving it up and putting it in reverse, and they said it was going away. So it's kind of a two-man job if you want to confirm it. You can still kind of hear it a little bit on the outside, but from the inside, the noise goes away if you put like a pry bar on it and pry on it as they're revving it up. And the only reason I went to the motor mount was because of a video I saw online that had the same problem. A lot of these people are having these Nissan Altimas that have like a rattle on the passenger side. And one guy said he did both motor mounts. Also, what I was doing was I was putting my stethoscope, and I can hear like a rattle on the inside. Right there is where I was putting it. This gentleman's video, squeal rattle noise, and then it says onto a Nissan Altima and also into reverse. And then here's his description. I was basically the same thing I was hearing. In the morning, you could hear it more often. In the cold too. And the car did have also over 100,000 miles. This guy says he found out it was the motor mount on the passenger side of the car, and he said he replaced both. And some people are like, well, which one? There's actually two motor mounts. The one that's actually making the noise is this bottom one, and it's connected to a bracket. But there's also this torque strut mount, I guess you can call it. This is the part number from Rattle. This is like a better version, I guess. The better version they have, the more pricier one. This is the same brand for the torque strut mount. This is the cheaper option, the SKP. I think SKP is a decent brand, but this is their more economy brand, and this is just a look at it from the bottom. And you'll notice that it is this one because it has that long handle to it. This is another cheaper brand if you want to get the cheaper one. And the last thing I will say is, unfortunately, I cannot do the job. The customer did not want to do the job, so I cannot show how to do it. But this video here is the only video I did find that shows how to remove both torque strut mount and the motor mount on these Nissan Altimas. I think it's like 2013 up to like 2017, 2018, where the setup is basically the same with that washer fluid reservoir and the power steering reservoir by the motor mount. Everything else I found they're like 2012 and earlier, and it's just a different setup. It's not the right video. So I apologize that I cannot get a video on how to do it, but this video should be decent enough to like explain how to remove both of them. So hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, I'm sorry I couldn't do it, but the customer did not want to do it.